In this video, I'm discussing how to set goals as a brand new recruiting agency owner. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new to my channel and love all things recruiting, then I encourage you to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop each week. Like anything in life, you want to understand where you're focusing your time as well as your energy. Setting goals ensures that you have a why behind running your business, as well as it helps you to stay on track with what you want to accomplish. If you're brand new to running a recruiting agency, then you want to set goals around two main things: sign contracts and generating revenue. Sign contracts mean that you're able to generate revenue for your business. So you want to sign a number of contracts that are going to be reasonable for you to fill, but also are going to help you to hit your revenue goal. And understand that the number of contracts that you sign is really going to depend on you, your business, your niche, exactly how much time commitment you have, the clients that you take on. You may land a client that needs to fill 1 requisition or a client that needs to fill 10 requisitions. Remember, you don't want to just sign contracts for the sake of signing contracts. Ensure that you're picky about who you work with because it really does matter. And take your time to really understand your niche and exactly what is considered to be reasonable within the realms of your niche. This will help you to understand what you can take on because it's going to look different for everybody. Now, when it comes to revenue generation, you want to be as specific and realistic as possible. And the main reason is that you don't want to set yourself up for disappointment. While there are new recruiting agency owners out there who are really killing it and earning a ton of money, it's important to understand that that's not everyone's story. It takes a lot of time and energy to get there. Be realistic about your revenue goal based on your unique situation. Understand that 10,000 is possible within the first month, but so is 100,000. However, there's going to be different levels of time and energy that are going to be required in order for you to hit each of those marks. So here's a few things to keep in mind as you're thinking about creating your goals surrounding signing contracts as well as revenue generation. The first is to make sure that you have SMART goals. You want your goals to be specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, and timely. This will ensure that your goals are achievement-based in nature and not just simply a wish list. You also want to make sure that you only have 3 to 5 goals. Too many goals can become a distraction and you can become overwhelmed very quickly. I also encourage you to focus on one time frame when you're thinking about creating your goals. Meaning, are you drafting weekly, monthly, or annual goals? In the beginning, this will just help to keep you streamlined. As your business continues to grow, you can always expand into new and different time frames. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, then please be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell. That way you can get notified of all of my new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.